This is Icon Makeup. We are doing fawns and the lovely Anelda is doing our makeup. She is part of Fawn Makeup. Feel. Don't let it show.
No breathing, speaking, living, nothing.
Dude, your makeup from the side looks freaking flawless.
Is flawless.
This is Kay.
And I'm Dee.
And we are going to Icon 2016. It's South Africa's version of Comic Con. We are doing 2 days at Icon. Today we are fawns. Ah, there you go. And tomorrow we are doing something else.
Going back in, and yeah.
We'll see you in the convention.
Hey! We're going home now.
Yes. We are at the cosplay final. We did 2 days.
Day 2. And the judge just told her that she was amazing.
Oh, thanks. And Dee got called a real Disney princess.
It was fun being Belle for the day. I'd like to actually be able to breathe again.
I'd like to be warm. Has been a fantastic day. I think it's
amazing.
2 days worth of con. I think everyone should try, be part of it and enjoy it. Miraculous out.
Take the exit on the left.
But where? Don't tell me now.
We did it. We did it.